Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest tactical gadgets on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best tactical gadgets of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description box. Product 1. Product name: EDC Prybar Multitool. The EDC Prybar Multitool is a versatile and compact tool designed for everyday carry, EDC, and camping, offering a range of functionalities that make it an essential companion for various tasks. This multitool is equipped with a bidirectional ratchet screwdriver, providing the flexibility to easily drive screws in either direction. It also features an everlasting pen, ensuring you always have a reliable writing instrument at hand. In addition to these core features, the multitool includes wrenches of various sizes, a crowbar for prying, and bottle and box openers, making it an all-in-one solution for small repairs, opening packages, or enjoying a beverage while out in the wild. The tool's compact design makes it ideal for those who value efficiency and convenience, whether they are on a camping trip, tackling DIY projects, or simply navigating everyday life. Product 2. Product name: Survival Kit and First Aid Kit. The Survival Kit and First Aid Kit is a comprehensive 142-piece professional survival gear set, designed to cater to the needs of outdoor enthusiasts such as men, dads, and husbands who enjoy camping and adventure. This kit includes a variety of essential tools and equipment packaged in a durable maul pouch, making it highly portable and convenient for outdoor activities. The kit combines survival tools and first aid essentials, ensuring that users are prepared for a wide range of emergencies. The survival gear includes items like a tactical knife, fire starter, multi-tool, flashlight, compass, emergency blanket, and fishing gear. The first aid portion of the kit contains bandages, antiseptics, and other medical supplies to treat injuries in the field. Product 3. Product name: Tactical Self-Defense Pen with Flashlight. Their Tactical Self-Defense Pen with Flashlight is a versatile and robust multi-tool designed for both everyday utility and emergency situations. This pen is not just a writing instrument, it's equipped with a range of features that make it a valuable addition to anyone's survival gear. Key functions include a powerful flashlight for visibility in low-light conditions, a glass breaker for emergency escapes, and a bottle opener for convenience. The pen's sturdy construction makes it ideal for self-defense, offering peace of mind in potentially dangerous situations. Given its multifunctionality, this tactical pen is an excellent gift choice for men, particularly those with a keen interest in gadgets, survival gear, or tactical equipment. It's especially suitable for police officers, military personnel, pilots, or anyone who values preparedness. Whether for Father's Day, a graduation, or as a thoughtful gift for a husband or dad, this pen is designed to be a practical yet thoughtful present. Product 4. Product name: Telescoping Magnetic Pickup Tool Set. The Telescoping Magnetic Pickup Tool Set is a versatile and practical tool designed for various retrieval tasks, particularly in tight or hard-to-reach spaces. This set typically includes an extendable magnet flashlight and an inspection mirror, making it ideal for both professional and DIY applications. The extendable magnet flashlight is equipped with a powerful magnet at the end, allowing users to easily pick up metal objects like screws, nuts, or tools from areas that are otherwise difficult to access. The inspection mirror provides additional functionality by allowing users to see into confined spaces, enhancing visibility during repairs or inspections. This tool set is especially useful in automotive work, home repairs, and other situations where small metal objects might fall into inconvenient locations. The extendable design ensures that users can adjust the tool to the appropriate length, offering flexibility and ease of use. Additionally, the magnetic feature of the flashlight not only aids in retrieval but also provides a hands-free lighting option in dark or tight spaces. Product 5. Product name: Jukmo Tactical Belt. The Jukmo Tactical Belt is a durable and versatile accessory designed for various outdoor and tactical applications, making it a valuable addition to a collection that includes practical and functional gear. This belt is constructed from 1.5-inch nylon webbing, providing a strong and resilient base suitable for demanding activities like military operations, hiking, and work. One of its standout features is the heavy-duty quick-release buckle, which allows for rapid fastening and unfastening, ensuring convenience and reliability in critical situations. The belt's design ensures it can handle heavy loads, making it ideal for carrying tools, gear, or other accessories necessary for outdoor adventures or tactical scenarios. Product 6. Product name: Monocular Telescope. The monocular telescope high-power 8x42 is a versatile optical device designed for outdoor enthusiasts who enjoy activities such as bird watching, hunting, camping, hiking, traveling, and observing wildlife and scenic views. This compact and portable monocular is engineered to provide a powerful 8x magnification, coupled with a 42mm objective lens, delivering clear and detailed images even in low-light conditions. Built to withstand various environmental challenges, the monocular is waterproof, fog-proof, and shockproof, ensuring durability and reliability in different weather conditions. The inclusion of a hand strap enhances its portability, making it easy to carry and use during outdoor adventures. Suitable for both adults and kids, this monocular is a practical tool for those who appreciate nature and the outdoors, offering a closer and clearer view of distant objects, wildlife, and landscapes. Product 7. Product name: Sharpel 101N6 in 1 Pocket Knife Sharpener. The Sharpel 101N6 in 1 Pocket Knife Sharpener and Survival Tool is a versatile and compact accessory designed for outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, and anyone who values multifunctional tools. This pocket-sized sharpener not only provides a reliable way to quickly repair, restore, and hone both straight and serrated blades, but it also comes equipped with several essential survival tools. The 6-in-1 design includes tungsten carbide blade, for quick edge setting on dull or damaged knives. Ceramic blade, used for fine honing, finishing, and maintaining a sharp edge. Diamond sharpening rod, ideal for sharpening serrated blades and hooks. Fire starter ferro rod, a vital tool for starting fires in emergency situations.